Hello everyone, this is Mompi, and today I'll be introducing the extension that I've been creating for quite some time. This extension basically helps developers to create document for your Flutter project. Right now it's limited only to Flutter, but maybe in future I can add more coding languages. So let me show a quick demo of how you can do this. So first you have to go to VS Code and go to the extensions part. Then you have to type in documentation creator. There you'll get this extension. You have to click install, right? And once that is done, go to a particular file and use the command Shift P, and after that click on create documentation. So once you click on it, you'll be asked to provide the API key for OpenAI. So this one I have already provided the link in the description of the extension. You can get it directly from there. But for now, I'm just pasting the key that I have right now. You have to press enter. So once that is done, we have to wait for some time and then it will try to create a documentation. So once it is created, it is going to show you something like this. So it will show you different sections. First is the global reminder storage. So I have got two classes, and it will provide you what does the class do, what are the methods in the class, and how we can implement them. If you are a web developer, you can easily modify this code and make it more beautiful, but for now I kept it very simple, and you can kind of modify it according to how you want the UI to be. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for listening, and please leave your feedback in the comments below. This is just the initial build, but I'll be providing future builds according to the feedback that I get, so that I can make the product more and more better day by day. So yeah, let me know. Thank you so much.